Welcome to the Daily Forecast, May 26th, 2021. I'm Angie Lau, Editor-in-Chief of Forecast News. Let's get you up to speed from Asia to the world. Well, in Asia, the crypto market rebound continued today with a lot of green across the board. Bitcoin ending the day in Asia above the key $40,000 mark, trading up 3.8% at the close of trading hours Hong Kong time. And in the top 10 for cryptocurrencies, Cardano and Polkadot, which some have called green alternatives to BTC, both have had a good day. Cardano up nearly 13% and Polkadot up 8.7%. It's that idea of a greener alternative that may be one reason behind this recovery. Ironically, it's one of the same reasons for the sell-off we saw last week. I'm talking, of course, about the environmental concern over crypto mining. But news of a push to green the industry by Elon Musk and Michael Saylor has many investors, seeing green. Stefan Roost, founder and CEO of Sonic Capital, says the ability for innovation is what will drive developers to give users the environmentally friendly products that they demand.
Generation that's really got bought into Bitcoin, and the people that are super passionate about it are equally super passionate about the environment, right? It's that generation, and they're the first users of Bitcoin, so they believe that all of a sudden with their voting power, e.g. the tradability and the exchange of the currency, they can actually influence the decision-making.
Hong Kong-based Max Song is the co-founder of the Sustainable Bitcoin Standard, which is developing a certificate to verify coins that have been mined using renewable energy. Now, he sees the market moves as a sign that investors are taking the environmental concern seriously.
From what I've seen, that there's actually a sort of surge of actually a lot of solution sort of proposers actually because of the last 2 days, right? So you see the resilience of the Bitcoin community. And I think the institutional guys are starting to understand that there actually could be pathways for Bitcoin to be green. And that's sort of giving them reassurance.
Meanwhile, in Inner Mongolia, as the government attempts to meet China's carbon neutrality goal, crypto mining is all but banned. Officials there are out with a detailed list of what could soon be deemed illegal as they move to fully shut down any operations. The draft guideline includes 8 specific measures to cut the whole crypto mining industry chain in Inner Mongolia, from landlords who rent mining sites to electricity providers. Companies and individuals involved in any section of crypto mining in the region will be charged fines or have business operation licenses revoked. In addition, the new guidelines extend beyond the mining firms. Data centers, cloud computing firms, internet companies, even internet cafes will soon be monitored and prohibited from conducting mining activities or offer services to crypto miners. Now, the draft list will go through a public consultation period through June 1st before it takes effect. And Indonesia plans to launch a CBDC that, according to Central Bank Governor Peri Warjio, the country has seen huge growth in digital banking and transactions recently. In April, the value of transactions surged 46%, according to Reuters. Crypto is legally traded, but not accepted as a payment method right now in Indonesia. Now, Governor Warjio says the rupiah will remain the only legally accepted currency for payment, and that it will be regulated as banknotes and card-based transactions. And finally, NFTs continue to keep growing with artists, content creators, celebrities, gaming companies, sport franchises, you name it. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. But are your NFTs really forever? Well, not necessarily.
When you mint an NFT, you point it to a metadata URL. Just like a website that you would visit. The issue is that if that metadata URL goes down, as in a link to a standard website, your NFT doesn't really have value anymore because you can't access the content.
Well, now India-based Polygon, one of the fastest growing Ethereum Layer 2 solutions, and LF.im are partnering together to offer a solution to that problem. A decentralized storage for NFTs on the Polygon network to protect your NFTs and dApps in the Polygon network from disappearing. Shreynesh Singh from Polygon told Forecast.news that NFTs in gaming and metaverses will only grow, which is why they're in this space right now.
I feel 80 to 80% NFT related use cases haven't been discovered yet. There are still certain solutions. Some teams are good teams are working on it. but I think we'll see a lot of exciting things in the coming days.
Still early days yet. And that's the daily forecast from our vantage point right here in Asia. For more, visit forecast.news. I'm Editor-in-Chief Angie Lau. Until the next time.